Hi kids, welcome to Enhance Your Learning Environmental Studies for Grade 2 Unit 2 My Family and Friends Lesson 6 People Who Help Us. So in last class we have seen different people who are helping in a different way, right? So who all we have seen in last class? The people who make things available for us, the people who make food available for us, the people who sell things, the people who make things, and the people who care for us. Right, kids? Have you all seen the class? Yes, in today's class, we are going to see about the people who help us in repair and maintenance work, and the people who help us in traveling, and the people who help us in entertainment. Okay, and what are the other professionals who help us in different ways? Okay, kids? Are you ready to listen the class? Yes. First one is people who repair things. Okay, a mechanic repairs cars and machines. Okay, we are traveling in a car. Suddenly our car got breakdown. Immediately whom we will call? We will call a mechanic because he's a trained person. He knows how to use different tools and how to repair the cars and machines. Okay, so the mechanic will repair a car and machines. Next one is a plumber fits and repairs the pipes and fittings. If you have problem with our kitchen sink, okay, and there is a leakage of water there, immediately we will call plumber to see the fittings. Okay, he will come and repair our pipes. Okay, so if you want to make a new bathtub in your toilet, immediately you have to call the plumber. He will come and fit the water connection as well as he'll see the drainage system also. Okay, so if you want to repair pipes and fittings, you have to call plumber. Next one is an electrician. So electrician work on the electrical equipments. If you have the problem with the lights and fan, okay, and any other electrical equipments, you have to call the electrician for repair and maintenance work. So who all will help us in the repairing things? A mechanic will repair cars and machines. A plumber will fix and repair the pipes and fittings. An electrician work on electrical equipments. Okay, so if you have any problem with your light and fan and any other electrical equipment, immediately you have to call the electrician. Next we'll see who all are helping us in traveling. Okay, first one is a pilot. Okay, a pilot flies aeroplane. If you want to go to foreign countries, you can't travel by car or bus. Okay, that time you have to fly in the aeroplanes. Next, if you want to go for a short distance or somehow long distance, you can get the help of the taxi drivers. Okay, they will drive on land. Okay, the drivers drive the vehicles on land. How the pilot will fly the aeroplane? The pilot will fly the aeroplane on the air. Okay, and the driver will drive vehicles on the land. Next one is a sailor. A sailor sails ship and boats, okay, in the water. The sailor sail ships or boats in the water. Understood, kids? So who all help us in traveling? A pilot help us to fly aeroplane, okay, which is on the air. Then a driver drives vehicle on land, okay, and the sailor sails ship or boat in the water. Understood? Next, which are all the people will entertain us? The people who entertain us. I think all of you are very familiar with this face, right? Who is he? He is a Salman Khan, right? Yes, he is an actor who acts in the films, serials, etc. So, actor will act in the films, serials, etc. Okay, who is an actor? Actor will act in the films and serials. Okay, next one is a playback singer sings songs for actors. I think you all are watching movies and you like many heroes. Do you think all the heroes are singing the song? No. For each hero there will be a playback singers. Okay, so they will only sing the song for the actors. Okay, next one is a clown. A clown makes people laugh at fairs, circus, etc. What do you mean by clown? Have you heard this word clown? Clown means a person with an extra makeup. Okay, extra makeup who makes us to laugh. Next one is musician. Musician, what they will do? They will play different instruments. Okay, they will play different instruments. Next one is a dancer. What the dancer will do? They will dances and act in the movies and dramas. Okay, next one is a lyricist. Lyricist means those who are writing the lyrics for the singers. Okay, so lyricist writes songs for films. Okay, so people who entertain us are an actor, a playback singer, a clown, a musician, a dancer, and a lyricist. Do you think this entertainment is necessary in our life? Yes, of course, because entertainment relaxes and it relieves our tension. It will remove our stress. Okay, so when we are stressed or if you want some relaxation, immediately we will hear some songs. Or if we are tensed or if we are more stressed, we will go and watch a movie. Okay, or we will listen to a music. So thereby we can reduce our stress, right? Next one is other different personals who help in different ways. Okay, lawyer, where the lawyer will help if you have any problem, we can approach lawyer and we can file a complaint with him or her. Then they will deal with our cases in the court. Okay, the lawyer deals with the court cases and solve our problems. Okay, next one is librarian. Librarian works in a library. How this librarian will be helpful for us? Okay, we are entering the library and we don't know where the necessary books are available. Okay, so immediately we will go and approach this librarian and ask where is the environmental studies books will be available. So immediately he or she will take us to the environmental studies section and help us to find us the book, right? So the librarian will help us. Next, a journalist. A journalist writes for newspaper. Okay, every day newspapers are coming, right? How every day the newspapers are coming? The journalists will go to different places and they will gather the news and they will write the news for the newspaper and magazine. Okay, and it will be readily available by the next day. So through that only we are coming to know about what all the things are happening around the world. Okay, next one is writer. You are reading different story books, right? Okay, who is writing the story books? The writers are writing the story books, novels and other books. Okay, everybody can't write the books, novels or the magazine. Only the writer will be able to write the story books. Okay, next one is cartoonist. What the cartoonist will do? He will make cartoons for newspaper, magazine, okay, etc. Okay, cartoonist. It is a special talent a person has to draw immediately the situation in a cartoon manner. Okay, so mainly they will use it for the newspaper, story books or novels or magazine, anywhere they can use. They have lot of opportunities. Understood? Next one is a veterinarian. Veterinarian, okay, veterinarian treats sick animals. If our animals are sick, if our pet animals like dog, cat, will be keeping as a pet, right? If they are sick, immediately you can take to the veterinarian and they will treat the sick animals. Next one is architect. Architect make the plan of a house. For example, if you want to build a new house, immediately you will approach the architect and say that we need to build 1 bedroom or 3 bedroom house. We need a plan for that house. So immediately what the architect will do means they will go and plan and they will prepare many models of your house. So which design you likes, that one you can choose, and then only the mason will be able to build. Understood? So for the planning you need an architect, and to build your house you need a mason. Understood the difference between mason and architect? Yes, good. A dentist who takes care of our teeth. If we have any tooth problem, any tooth decay or any tooth infection, immediately we have to approach dentist. He will take care of our teeth. Okay. Next is a gardener. What is the work of gardener? Gardener will set up and take care of a garden. Okay. They will plant new saplings, and they will water every day, and they will see that the plants are growing in a proper way or not, and they will cut the unnecessary plants. Okay. And they will maintain the different shapes in the plants. Okay. So a gardener set up and take care of the garden. Next one is painter. What is the work of the painter? Painter will paint on the walls, paper and cloths. Okay, painter will paint on the walls, paper and even on the cloths. Okay, next one is chef. What the chef will do? The chef will cook a delicious food. Your mother may be a good chef, but sometimes we used to go to the restaurant to have delicious meals. Okay, so there you can find the cook. They will provide us a delicious food. Okay. Next one is a soldier. What is the work of the soldier? So they will be in the border of our country to protect our country from enemies. Okay, if there is no soldier in the border of our country, the other country enemies will enter inside our country and they will make harm to us. Okay, so what is the help of the soldiers? The soldiers protect our country from enemies. Okay, kids. Next one is astronauts. So astronauts travel in a spacecraft to study about space. Okay, so this one we can't do. Only the astronauts will be able to study about the space, or then they will travel in the spacecraft. Okay, next one is traffic policeman. Have you seen this traffic policeman in the roads? Wherever there is a junction, there the traffic policeman will be there to control the traffic on the road. Sometimes there will be a accident and there will be road blockage. So if there is a traffic policeman, immediately he will clear up the traffic on the road. Okay, next one is a barber. Okay, barber cuts and dresses our hair. Okay, barber cuts and dresses our hair. If there is no barber, you just imagine how you all will be. Now you are looking very cute because the barber is available to cut your hair and shape and trim your hair, right? If there is no barber, you all will have a long hair and you look ugly, right? Yes. Okay, so barber cuts and dress our hair. Okay, next one is magician. What the magician will do? With their special tricks, they will perform a magic. Okay, have you seen any magician performing the tricks? Yes. For example, simply they will put the tissue paper in the cap and they will make it as a rabbit. Or simply they will keep the tissue paper like this and they will shake and they will bring out the beautiful flower. So that is the special trick of the magician and they will make us surprise. Okay, that is the amazing work of magician. Next one is porter. What the porter will do? Porter carries our luggages. For example, we are going to the railway station, we have more luggages and we are not able to lift it, and we can get the help from the porter. They will carry our luggages and help us. Okay, or if you are going to the airport and we are having more luggages, we can get the help from the porter to move our luggages. Okay, so there they will help us to do our work. Understand? So kids, in this class we have learned who all help us to repair the things, who all help us in traveling, who all entertain us, and what are the other different professionals help out us in different ways. Understood, kids? If you have any doubt, you go through my previous video and this video again and understand who all are helping us in different ways in different time of our need. Okay, kids? With this video, I'll be uploading the quiz. I know you all smart kids. You can score good marks. Okay, kids? All the best. If you like my videos, subscribe to enhance your learning. Thank you.